What's up guys, this is Carlton, and in this video let's take a look at all the steps that went into making this beautiful looking desk that I have been working on for the past couple of months. So before moving on, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you do so, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, let's get started. First of all, we begin with about 20 pieces of scrap wood. Before starting with anything, we make sure the wood is planed and made perfectly flat to avoid unevenness. The top side is made by arranging 7 of them side by side and then joining them from the side using some wood glue. The bottom half is made in a similar way. The top and the bottom halves are joined by another piece of wood at the back and 3 pieces in the middle, which are hammered together using nails. After the assembly is done, we need to smoothen the surfaces using sandpaper and fill any dents and holes using fillers. Then wood stain or any other type of wood finish can be applied to the entire surface. Usually 3 coats should be sufficient, by allowing the stain to dry for about 14 hours after each coat. After polishing, we mount the plates for the legs by drilling holes and bolting them together. For the legs of the desk, I cut a large pipe into 4 equal parts depending upon the height that I wanted, spray painted those pipes white and got them threaded at the top so that they could be easily turned into place. For the table accessories, I am using a salt lamp and a modern table lamp which is attached to the table at the side. I know this is pretty old, but for the main monitor I'm using a BenQ GW2255 LED monitor which I purchased about 2 years ago. And I would definitely want to upgrade to an ultrawide soon. The keyboard I'm using is a Redgear MK881 mechanical keyboard which I did a review on this channel. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll make sure I link it down in the description or in the cards above. And the mouse which I'm using is the Logitech G402 gaming mouse which I purchased recently. All of this rests on the Corsair MM200 extended mouse mat. The PC powering this setup has an Intel i3 4150 with 12 GB of RAM and a GTX 750 Ti graphics card. Again, nothing great, but would definitely want to upgrade soon. Now for the cable management. All the cables from the monitor, keyboard and mouse are passed through a hole which I drilled on the underside of the table, and then by passing them through another hole at the side of the desk and then plugging it to the back of the PC. The cables are held together by cable ties where necessary. All the products in this video are not sponsored by anyone, and all the links to the products that I have used in this video will be linked down in the description. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel as said before. If you have any video suggestions and queries, make sure you comment them down below. And as always, this is Carlton here, signing off. Take care.